are doing great. It's me, Shilpa, again to take you to the world of English. Let's take our first step in with alphabet. Today we are going to learn uppercase letters. They are also known as capital letters. Now tell me, how many letters are there in alphabet? Well, there are 26 letters in our alphabet. Now sit properly with your back straight. Listen, point and repeat. Here we go. The first letter is A. 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 After A, it's B. 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 The next letter is C. 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 After C, it's D. 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 Let's revise. A, B, C, D. The next letter is E. 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 After E, it's F. 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 The next letter is G. 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 After G, it's H. 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 Let's revise. E. F. G. H. The next letter is I. 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 After I, it's J. 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 The next letter is K. 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 After K, it's L. 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 Let's revise. I, J, K, L. Let's proceed to our next letter. That is M. 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 After M, it's N. 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 The next letter is O. 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 The next letter is P. 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 Let's revise. M. N. O. P. The next letter is Q. 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 After Q, it's R. 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 The next letter is S. 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 After S, it's T. 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 Let's revise. Q. R. S. T. The next letter is U. 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 After U, it's V. 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 The next letter is W. 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 Let's revise. U. V. W. Let's proceed to our next letter. That is X. 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 After X, it's Y. 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 And the last is Z. 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 Let's revise. X, Y, Z. Great. Have you learned? So let's revise our alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Awesome! You did it! I'm so proud of you kiddos. Now tell me, how many letters are there in alphabet? I know you all are genius. Correct. There are 26 letters in our alphabet. Hey, teach them also the uppercase letters and practice these letters again and again for more perfection. If you like the video, just give me a thumbs up. Do share with your friends and relatives and click the subscribe button for regular updates. Press the bell icon for instant notifications. See you. Meet you in the next class. Have a nice day.